This is OJA Bio Antigen Detection Kit. So this is the instruction manual. This is the oropharyngeal swab. This is the test card. And this is the lysate solution. The bottle for lysate solution is designed especially for convenience and safety. As you can see, there's the white cap and the green cap. When you insert the swab, just unscrew the white cap. To drop the solution onto the test card, just unscrew the green cap. So now I'll show everybody how to administer the antigen detection kit. First of all, tear open the oropharyngeal swab. Swab the back of your throat for 10 seconds. Now open up the white cap of the lysate solution. Press towards the bottom of the bottle and stir for 10 seconds. Throw the swab away, put back the cap, and shake for 10 seconds. Now open up the test card. And open up the green cap. Drop 2 to 3 drops onto the S section. For negative diagnosis, it will show within 2 minutes, and for positive diagnosis, it will show within 15 minutes.